This is a complicated code challenge for white. The first thing we should observe is that black's eye space is huge. So I'll only cover this move and this move. These are the only two viable moves. Of course, feel free to try other moves and see what happens. So the problem with this move, this monkey jump, is that black can block here if white simply retreats. Now what happens is that black will be able to live very easily this way. If black tries to come in this way, what happens now is that black will be able to play this. This is sacrificing these two stones on the left, right? Because black cannot come in from either side now. But black will be able to capture these two stones. And now black can come in. So this will be something like this. Black will still be able to live like this. If number 3 is something like this, then because black's eye space is so huge, black can afford to retreat like this. And all of a sudden, 1, 3, and 5 can't really escape, especially 3 and 5, right? If you play something like this is not okay. And if you only pull back number 1, black can still find another real eye, in addition to the one here at the 1, 1 point. So that is why number 1 here actually doesn't work. You can try some of the other variations and see if that's true. White's only other viable move is pushing here, and the next move is really, really important. It has to be right here. If white cuts, this seems very tempting, right? Because if black attaris from this side, this is not okay for black. Black cannot enter from either side, and this is not enough eye space for black, obviously. So black must atari from this side. So we might be calculating white can atari here, black captures, and all of a sudden, this becomes the key move. Number 9 cannot be cut off. And when black makes an eye here, this is going to be a fake eye. So number 9 will kill black. Does this mean we found the correct answer? Unfortunately, no. Black, again, can sacrifice these two stones by getting to this point first. This is the key point. If white comes in, now black can capture, and number 9 will be trapped and will become a real eye for black. If white captures, now black can just connect here and still make 2 eyes, 2 real eyes. Right here, white cannot come in. So actually white will fail this way if it plays at number 3. So the correct move for white is actually right here. This is a very sharp move because it's kind of testing black. If black connects here, now black will be dead because white can come in this way. It's not going to be a real eye here, and we get to this pattern. It is a corner bent 4 shape at the end, right? It seems like Seki, but it's not. Black is frozen, and at the end it's going to be a corner bent 4. So it is a dead shape for black. And that is why black's number 4 must be here. It's very hard to find. Of course, you can try other moves as black's number 4, but this is the correct move. What happens now is that black can come in, and white will play all these moves on the outside. And what happens now is that black cannot block here. If black blocks here, white will connect, and black is already dead because after 14, white can cut here, and black cannot enter from either side. So the best black can try is this, but it'll be 1 liberty short. White will be able to capture black like this. So that is why after all these exchanges, black's correct move is right here. Now white obviously cannot cut. This way, white will fail. White can't do this, so white can only play this move. And black will throw in at number 14, white captures first. So this is our ko. Does black have a local ko-threat? Always our question. The answer is no, because you might try something like this, but white can capture here, and this is not going to be 2 eyes for black. Although arguably you can argue black can escape this way. And once black captures back, does white have a local ko-threat? Also no, right? So the ko will have to depend on ko-threats elsewhere after number 15. So what if black plays something like this? This will fail because now this cutting point, right, that black must address once it plays at number 6. So 3 and 5 really sets up this potential cut, especially after black occupies number 6. So that's what's really neat about this setup. Of course, there are many other variations. Feel free to try some of those on your own. Spend at least 10-15 minutes on this one, because the longer you calculate these problems, the better you'll become. As always, if you have any questions or confusion, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.